Hello everyone, we are here in the Devakotai district in Sirangapuram. New construction is happening here. We have come to install our Pioneer bioseptic tank with a capacity of 1,201 liters. This tank is sufficient for up to 7 people daily. We are going to install it under the car parking area. Beyond this, you can add up to 10 more. Even if you place a ton of weight on it, it won't break because this tank is made with 3 very strong layers. Usually for a septic tank, you would have 3 sections that fill up, requiring a lorry for cleaning. However, with this tank, the bacteria inside will completely clean all the human waste. This is unlike any other bioseptic tank available in the market. Even if you buy it, you need to add the bacteria from stores every 3 months. However, when it comes to our Pioneer bioseptic tank, there's absolutely no need for you to refill the bacteria. Our tank is meticulously designed to keep the bacteria active and functioning inside it, so you won't have to spend a single rupee on cleaning or maintenance. Once you have installed our tank, it comes with a solid 50-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. Melur, located in the Sivagangai district. In this location, we are going to install our tank underground. The tank we are providing here has a capacity of 1,200 liters. Once the tank is installed, they will cover it with 3 feet of soil. Thanks to the tank's 5-layer design, all human waste inside will be thoroughly processed, ensuring that the water that exits is clean and odor-free. You can use that water in your garden, drainage, or direct it underground. We offer tanks from 1,200 to 60,000 liters. Even if you request a 60,000-liter tank, we can provide it as a single unit by tomorrow. In India, we have been providing this tank to various establishments such as schools, colleges, and apartments, covering a wide range of needs. By choosing this tank, you can avoid the necessity of using branded toilet cleaners like Harpic or Domex, which means you won't have to use those products for cleaning your toilets at home. This tank can be effortlessly relocated to another spot. For more details, head over to the Pioneer Bioseptic Tank YouTube channel. There you can view all our installation videos. Do not forget to share these videos with your friends and neighbors, especially if they are involved in construction projects. Call the number displayed above and our team will come to your location. Thanks, friends.